Hey everybody, so it's Jarrett with the B-Hive Homestead, and today we're going to talk about actually taking care of our chicken problems. I have issues with, a lot of chickens. We turned our two-car garage into a chicken coop, half of it into a chicken coop, and it's now getting to the point where we want to open back up and possibly turn it into a workshop, make it a little bit easier for us to use. So what I'm going to do is check out something that I saw and heard about. Actually, we heard about it and saw in other videos from Justin Rhodes and from Mike Dixon, Fit Farmer, when we went to the Homesteaders of America conference. So I'm going to actually work on building a Chicshaw, or maybe modified Chicshaw or different stuff. We're going to see. I'm going to try to, I like the way Justin Rhodes is, and I like the way that Fit Farmers is, so I'm going to try to look at which one will be better with it. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get my materials and start setting it up that way so that we can start working to put this thing together. So let's get started getting this stuff. What do you think, Hart? Okay. Back to the drawing board. Woo! Guys, it cut me. Y'all see that? The metal cut me. But this is our chicken tractor now. As you can tell, finally got it finished. So use bike tires. Actually, didn't have it finished. This is it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I will show you guys when we put the chickens in it. What's up, guys? So after we built this thing, came the fun part of moving 35 chickens into their home. So their old coop used to be over here, and what I did was I parked it right out there, and then I moved them just for now over here. And as you can see, here's their home behind me. Got some bike tires with it, but they are snuggled in nice and warm. I'm gonna show you guys. Got them in there, a couple of them, well, 35 of them anyways. We got our guard dog over there. Say hey, Loki. He's checking on a little snack. So yeah, this is our mobile chicken tractor right here. As you guys know, well, I guess it's kind of a little bit inspired by the Chicshaw design of Justin Rhodes. I tried to make it my own with different things, so I changed a little bit of the inside, like didn't put as many poles, but changed the opening a little bit bigger than the 6 foot. So yeah, it actually came out really good. We'll check them in the morning, and we'll keep you guys posted with it. But I hope you guys liked it, and hopefully there's more to come. We're gonna see if we can get some eggs out of them tomorrow and set them up with their new area. So thanks guys for checking out our video. We'll catch you guys later from the B-Hive Homestead. Peace.